Hey Groovers, welcome to the Telle Club, and remember you can go straight to the website and you can now search. I've put a search engine up on the website so you can actually put in your search word and see if that, if it comes up with something that maybe you heard once before, you can't find it. It's really difficult to find on Apple and what else is there? All of the, I'm on hundreds of podcasts, guys, all over the world, but they are quite difficult to find. So this one, Kissing with My Lips, Dancing with My Hips, if you remember that you really liked it and you want a loop with kissing in it, you could just put kissing into the search. So that's on the main site, Telle Club site, or free, obviously. So this is free for personal use and education and, blah, blah, blah. Boring bit. Kissing with My Lips, Dancing with My Hips in true 80s fashion with lots of very cool synth. And later on, I'm going to put this one up without the vocal. Each day I'm going to offer you the ringtones and then the singtones. So the singtones, if it's got singtone in the title, it means it comes with a vocal, okay? Just to help you while you're searching around. Enjoy. This is great fun. You can gift it to somebody that you've got a crush on.
Dancing with my hips, kissing with my lips.